Confluence makes it easy to share data between teams, but how do you get data from other systems or applications into Confluence? Comma-separated files, also known as CSV files, are a popular and standard way to exchange data between disparate applications. Their format is simple. The first row defines the names of the fields separated by commas, and the remaining rows represent the data itself, with each row's field separated by a comma. Most popular applications, like Microsoft Excel, Google Apps, and most database systems, can produce output in CSV format, often by choosing Export or Save As from the application's menu. Confluence understands how to read CSV data by using the CSV macro, which is part of the Bob Swift Advanced Tables for Confluence add-on. To get started, open the macro browser and select the CSV macro. For now, I'll just accept the defaults for all parameters, and then click Insert. I have a CSV file open in an editor, so I'll select all of it, copy it to the clipboard, and then paste it inside the CSV macro container. Click Preview, and you can see how the CSV macro turns it into a Confluence table. If you already have your CSV data in a file, the CSV macro handles that too. You can see that there's a file called supportnumbers.csv attached to this page. Let's delete the macro container and add in a new one by typing a curly brace and beginning to type the macro name. Scroll down to the location of CSV data parameter and type a caret followed by the file name. The caret is the symbol above the number 6 on your keyboard. Now the attached file has been converted to a table. You can augment your data so the output will reflect some derived or manipulated data, in this case by turning a partial URL into a clickable link. You have to change the output format to wiki since the table will contain a link in wiki markup syntax. In this parameter, I'm going to change the first column, the site URL column, so it has square brackets around it, which is the wiki markup syntax for a hyperlink. Within the braces, I'll add the standard prefix found on URLs, followed by the column name, surrounded by percent signs. The percent signs indicate to substitute the value of that column here. And now you can see the site URL is a clickable link. You can also use the Augments to Heading Row Values parameter to provide alternative column names for your data. You can make your table more compelling by specifying CSS to style the heading row or even all rows of your data. You can also use CSS to style the columns of your data. This video has shown just a bit of what the CSV macro can do. With over 700,000 downloads and 35 of the most popular products on the Atlassian Marketplace, Appfire's award-winning Bob Swift brand of add-ons has helped more than 8,000 customers across 80 countries to creatively enhance their Atlassian tools. Start a free trial of the Advanced Tables for Confluence add-on. And be sure to take a look at our recipes for inspiration about other things you can do with this and other Bob Swift add-ons.